Hey people, salute once again. Your favorite, Licenciado Jose Martinez, coming at you. All right, today people, what I decided to do was wax up my own vehicle. I'm not trying to be cheap. It's just that if I could do it, why pay? You know, nothing else is gonna do nothing better than what you could do. Okay, no one else is gonna do it. All right, it's not gonna come out as good. Only you could do the best job. That's my philosophy. All right, so what I'm using today, people, is, and I'm not getting any money from these people neither, but Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. Okay, that's what I'm using. I already did the front. See, it's shining. I did a good job. I became a master at this. All right, so now what I'm doing is, come around, Caesar. What I'm doing is, I waxed the side of this vehicle. Come around, Caesar. I did the back side with some wax. Now I'm gonna do this side. You know, before I did this, I watched a bunch of videos. I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube, and I said, man, I could do this. If you could save some money, it's cool. They'll probably charge here in the DR, they'll charge around 5,000 pesos, which it's not a lot, but it's 5,000 pesos. It's like $80 here. Probably way cheaper than it is in the US. But if I could save that money and do a good job myself, why not do it myself? And I'm doing it. I did the front already, and it's shining, boy. Looks like a diamond. All right. So now I'm just spreading the wax on this side here. I once saw a video that I learned from watching it, that put the wax on your car in a circular motion, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's just what I'm doing, in a circular motion. Once I'm done spreading this wax on it, then I'll just buff it. I got a buffer too. Okay, so this is move a little bit back. This is another hobby that honestly I master this. This is not difficult. This is not science. This is not rocket science. Yes, you got to be patient. You have to be patient, and you have to have some interest and some compromise with what you're doing, so it could come out good, so the job could be good. All right, so that's what I'm doing now. Move back, see? That's what I'm doing now. Just spreading this wax on here. All right. Yeah, I got on my Fed shirt. My Fed shirt. Okay. Some of you guys might know what I'm talking about. The Fed shirt. All right. Some of you guys might just know what I'm talking about. Some of you might not. Hey. Oh well. All right. Spreading this wax on here. Spreading the wax. I enjoy it.